we're learning that the CBI team has now entered the jail premises for the polygraph test of main accused Sanjay Roy. In fact, Sanjay Roy's polygraph test has already begun and a test of 2 other doctors is also underway. Remember, 4 were subjected to polygraph test yesterday. So this is the latest update that is coming in, that the main accused Sanjay Roy's polygraph test has begun. CNN News 18's Arunima is joining us with more details on this. Arunima, over to you.
So CBI has confirmed that the polygraph test of Sanjay Roy has begun. The team reached the Presidency Jail in Alipur, Kolkata a short while back. It took a long time for the polygraph to begin. There were a lot of legal issues, there were security issues because of which Sanjay could not be produced in the court earlier. His consent was required. But finally, his polygraph is underway. The polygraph is significant because though Kolkata police claimed that in their interrogation he had confessed, his defense lawyers later told the media in Kolkata that during his, when he was being produced in Sialda court, he said that he was under extreme mental duress and mental stress and that he was being framed in this particular case. So because of this back and forth, I think the polygraph is also required to exactly come up with the sequence of events. One of his key aides, his polygraph is also on. This key aide has apparently told the investigators that Sanjay was with him all of 8th morning and evening. On 9th, they were supposed to meet up, but he did not take the phone calls at about 10 in the morning. At 12:30, he finally took the call. And when this aide told him about the crime that has been discovered at RG Kar, Sanjay's reaction apparently were not really of concern. So this polygraph will exactly establish what point Sanjay is lying about, if he is lying about anything else. And the 2 other doctors, there were a total of 4 junior doctors whose polygraph had to be taken. 2 others are also being subjected to the test at the CBI CGO office in Kolkata, Salt Lake.
All right, Arunima, please stay with us. CNN News 18's editor Kamalika Sen-Gupta is also joining us on this story. Kamalika, on one hand, the polygraph test of the main accused has begun. On the other hand, the CBI searches were also going on at several locations, including that of RG Kar ex-principal's house. What is the latest update on that?
The continuous raid is going on in all the 15 places, which has Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the former principal of RG Kar, Dr. Debashish Shom, who is the forensic department professor, and also on the former super Sanjay Bashi's residence, and also in the residence of a supplier who used to supply various things to RG Kar. Now, one thing was very clear in Akhtar Ali's complaint, that it was only 1 or 2 companies which used to get all these tenders for all the supply and everything in RG Kar. And he had to be given 20% cut money. That's what is written in Akhtar Ali's complaint. And also there are 3 teams which are searching various stuffs and raids in administrative building and stored building of RG Kar. So a full action day by CBI, where in one hand they are doing this polygraph test of Sanjay Roy. On the other hand, they are raiding in 15 places, out of which Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, Dr. Sanjay Bashish and Dr. Debashish Shom, they are very important person in this entire thing.
All right, Kamalika and Arunima, thank you so much for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this story. As of now, News 18's Amit Sarkar gets us this report from RG Kar's former principal's house where the CBI is conducting raids. Take a look.
देखिए, मेरा कैमरा पर्सन कंचन को बताऊंगा दिखाने के लिए। देखिए, बाहर अभी भी सीआरपीएफ है और थोड़ी देर पहले सीबीआई टीम 1 घंटा वेट करने के बाद सीबीआई जो संदीप घोष का जो घर है उसके अंदर सीबीआई के 5 अधिकारी ने गया है। अभी जो फर्स्ट फ्लोर है इस रूम, इसी रूम पर अभी संदीप घोष को इंटरोगेट कर रहा है, अर्थात पूछताछ चल रहा है। उसके साथ दस्तावेज जो है वो लोग सर्च कर रहा है। और येस्टरडे सीबीआई के एसीपी की तरफ से उसके खिलाफ एफआईआर हुआ है। सिर्फ संदीप घोष का घर नहीं, संदीप घोष का क्लोज एसोसिएट और जो है जिसके खिलाफ इसी RG Kar अस्पताल की एक्स डेप्यूटी सुपर अख्तर अली ने आर्थिक दुर्नीति की अभियोग लाया है। उसके बाद एसआईटी फॉर्म हुआ था स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से और वो केस कोलकाता हाईकोर्ट की तरफ से सीबीआई को हैंड ओवर हुआ है फ्राइडे को और कल सीबीआई की तरफ से एफआईआर हुआ है। अभी जो संदीप घोष का जो बेलेघाटा का घर है वहां पर आज 7 बज के कुछ पहले सीबीआई टीम चले आया था और उसके बाद 1 घंटा उसको बाहर रुकना पड़ा क्योंकि अंदर से कोई रेस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा था। हम लोग देखा 8:03 तक संदीप घोष बाहर आया, उसके बाद सीबीआई अधिकारिक ने अंदर गया। अभी भी पूछताछ चल रहा है, उसके साथ जो दस्तावेज है वो भी सर्च हो रहा है सीबीआई के ऑफिसर के द्वारा।